It's nice to see you guys again tonight. And then I believe you guys feel the same also, okay? All right. So tonight we are starting with a new chapter, which is chapter 16, guys, okay? So let me share the material that we're going to talk about it starting this week. All right, there you go. So starting this week, we're going to talk about chapter 16, which is this chapter is talking about changing a customer's order. Alright. Jadi mulai minggu ini kita akan mengawali dengan bab yang baru, bab 16, di mana di dalam bab yang baru ini kita akan melihat bagaimana percakapan yang terjadi di dalam suatu perusahaan pada saat terjadi perubahan pesanan yang diterima dari pelanggan. Alright. So here we see the situation here, okay? Jane just received a new purchase order from one of the customers. She tries to discuss the necessary action with Lynn, alright? Jadi situasi yang terjadi di sini adalah Jane ini menerima suatu pesanan baru ya dari pelanggan perusahaan. Kemudian dia akan mendiskusikan bagaimana hal-hal yang perlu ditanganinya bersama Lynn, okay, rekan kerjanya, okay. So as usual, I'm going to do the conversation first, so you guys have an idea how we're gonna pronounce it, and then the tunes, everything, you know, the intonation, okay. So please pay attention, and afterwards then is going to be your guys' turn, okay, doing the role play. All right. Okay. So Lynn, please come to my office. I just received a revised purchase order from one of our customers. I'm here. Lynn, remember the order we received from Color's house 2 weeks ago? The one for a lot of 500 oak wood windows? Yes, that is the one. Did we start production on it yet? I do not think so, since we do not have to make delivery until the 20th of this month, which is okay, another 15 days, okay? Good. I just received a revised order from its purchasing department. They want pine wood instead of oak wood. We have already ordered the oak wood from Lumber House. It will cost us more if we put a change of order now. Don't worry. Color's House is willing to pay an extra 25% for the change. It is okay then. When do we have to ship the order? Is it still due on the 20th? No, they gave us extra time to fill the new order. It is not due until the 25th of the month now. Did they change the shipping terms? Do we still have to deliver the order, or will they come here to pick it up? We still have to take care of the shipping process, and it is still going to Chicago. Then I do not have to make any shipping changes other than changing the pickup date. I think you should put a call in to tracking lines as soon as possible. The 30th of this month is a major holiday, and its shipping schedule is going to be very tight. True, they might not accommodate our change if they receive our notice too late. Oh, here is the change of order from Color's house. You can sign and fax it back to them after reviewing it. I better give a copy of this new order to our production department. They need to be aware of the change. How is our production department doing? It is running on a very tight schedule. They've received quite a few orders lately. I bet all the customers want their orders now or as soon as possible. The production department will have to work a lot of overtime this month. Overtime already started last week with all the employees in the assembly department working an average of 2 hours overtime per day. I hope the customer appreciate our quick response time and the fact that we always jump through hoops to give them all whatever they want. It does pay to keep up with the customer's demand. Everybody likes our products and services. Even though it is sometimes very difficult to please everybody, it is fun with me because I love this company and I want to see it prosper. We can take pride in a job well done. Besides, it makes our job easier also. Yes, I would not like to hear people complain. I would hate to deal with unhappy customers. It is really stressful to deal with unhappy customers. I doubt that I will be able to relax even when I get home at the end of the day. Me neither. Okay, everything is set. I will call Color's house and tell them everything is set to go. Thanks for your help, Lynn. You're welcome, Jane. Okay. So, that's the dialogues happening between Lynn and Jane. Okay. Now, I'm going to have a little translation for you guys. That way you guys have an idea what they're talking about. Alright. Jadi di sini percakapannya terjadi antara Lynn dan Jane ya. Oke, mereka adalah karyawan di bagian penjualan. Oke. Jadi di penjualan ini mereka menerima suatu perubahan order, suatu perubahan what do you call? Perubahan pesanan, oke? Okay? Nah di sini Jane berkata, Lynn, mohon datang ke kantor saya ya. Saya barusan menerima ada perubahan pesanan dari salah satu pelanggan kita. Kemudian Lynn berkata, saya di sini. Oke, Lynn, kamu ingat pesanan yang kita terima dari Color's House 2 minggu yang lalu? Kemudian Lynn berkata, apakah yang memesan satu lot yang isinya 500 jendela dengan apakah yang memesan satu lot yang berisi 500 jendela Bu dengan kayu oak? Betul. Ya, betul itu. Nah, apakah kita sudah memulai proses produksinya? Saya kira sih belum ya, karena proses pengirimannya itu adalah tanggal 20 bulan ini. Jadi itu sekitar masih 15 hari lagi. Oke, bagus. Jadi saya barusan menerima ada revisi pesanan dari departemen pembelian mereka. Oke, mereka menginginkan kayu pine. Oke, mereka tidak mau kayu oak. Oke. Tapi kemudian Lynn berkata, kita sudah memesan kayu oaknya dari Lumber House. Oke. Nah, ini akan jadi kalau ini bila kita memesan kayu pine, itu akan terjadi penambahan biaya bila kita mengubahnya ya, mengubah dari pemesanan oak menjadi pine. Oke. Jangan khawatir, Color's House akan bersedia untuk membayar tambahan 25% untuk perubahan tersebut. Kemudian Lin berkata, oh oke, oke, oke. Kapan kita harus melakukan pengiriman pesanan tersebut? Apakah masih tanggal 20? Oh tidak, mereka memberikan kita ekstra waktu untuk memenuhi pesanan tersebut. Jadi bukan tanggal 20 tetapi tanggal 25 bulan ini. Apakah mereka melakukan perubahan untuk perubahan pengiriman? Apakah kita harus mengirim pesanan tersebut atau mereka akan datang mengambil pesanan tersebut? Kemudian Jane berkata, kita akan melakukan pengiriman pesanan tersebut dan pengirimannya tetap ke Chicago. Oke, kemudian Lin berkata, oke, jadi tidak ada perubahan untuk bagian pengirimannya selain tanggalnya ya, tanggalnya yang berubah, hanya tanggal yang berubah. Oke, kemudian Jane berkata, sebaiknya, menurutku sebaiknya kamu melakukan, kamu menghubungi tracking lines. Tracking lines itu adalah perusahaan shipping. Oke, perusahaan pengiriman yang digunakan untuk mengirim pesanan kepada Colors House. Oke, menurutku sebaiknya kamu melakukan menelpon tracking line secepatnya karena tanggal 30 adalah hari libur besar ya, dan kemungkinan jadwal pengirimannya itu akan sangat ramai. Oh betul, kemungkinan mereka tidak bisa membantu kita bila perubahannya itu kita melakukan pemberitahuannya itu terlalu mendadak. Kemudian Jane berkata, oke, ini adalah perubahan pesanan dari Colors House. Oke, kamu silakan tanda tangani dan kirimkan faxnya kembali. Setelah mereviewnya, kamu bisa menandatangani dan fax kembali ke Colors House. Oke. Kemudian Lin berkata, sebaiknya saya segera mengirimkan kopi dari perubahan order pesanan ini ke bagian departemen produksi. Oke. Mereka harus mengetahui terjadi perubahan dalam pesanan tersebut. Kemudian Jane bertanya kepada Lin, bagaimana dengan departemen produksi kita? Apakah berjalan lancar? Ya, saat ini mereka sangat sibuk karena kita menerima banyak tambahan pesanan belakangan ini. Kemudian Jane berkata, wah saya yakin semua pelanggan kita menginginkan pesanannya itu diselesaikan secepatnya atau saat ini juga. Kemudian dan bagian departemen produksi harus bekerja lembur bulan ini. Kemudian Lin berkata, kerja lemburnya sudah dimulai sejak bulan lalu. Di bagian di departemen perakitan, di mana mereka kerjanya setiap hari itu bekerja 2 jam bekerja lemburnya 2 jam per hari. Kemudian Jane berkata, ya semoga para pelanggan kita merasa bersyukur atas pemenuhan pesanan yang sangat cepat, kemudian bahwa kita berusaha untuk melakukan yang terbaik buat mereka. Kemudian Lin berkata, ya ini sangat berguna sangat bermanfaat untuk memenuhi permintaan pelanggan kita. Semua orang menyukai produk dan juga pelayanan kita. Ya, meskipun terkadang sangat sangat sulit untuk menyenangkan semua pihak, tapi saya sudah terbiasa dengan itu karena saya sangat because saya sangat mencintai perusahaan ini dan saya mau perusahaan ini berkembang. Oke, kemudian Jane berkata, kita bisa bangga saat pekerjaan kita itu terlaksana dengan baik dan di selain itu juga akan membuat pekerjaan kita semakin mudah. Kemudian Lynn berkata, ya betul. Saya tidak suka mendengar orang itu berkeluh kesah. Saya sangat membenci saya tidak menyukai untuk menangani pelanggan yang tidak puas. Kemudian Jane berkata, ya betul, sangat stres untuk menghadapi pelanggan yang tidak puas. Saya pun tidak bisa untuk relax meskipun sudah sampai di rumah. Kemudian Lynn berkata, saya juga demikian. Oke, sekarang semuanya sudah selesai ya. Oke, sekarang saya akan menelpon Color House dan memberitahu mereka bahwa semuanya sudah selesai. Maksudnya perubahan ordernya itu sudah terlaksana dengan baik. Kemudian Jane berkata, terima kasih Lynn untuk bantuannya. Sama-sama katanya Lynn. Alright, so that's a quick translation. Hopefully it helps. Guys. Now let's go do the role play, guys. Alright. There you go. All right. Let's see. It's time for the role play. All right, Miss Fanny, Okay. Miss Fanny, I'll have you do the Jane number 1 until number 3. And then Miss Fu will do Lynn number 1 until number 4. And then I see Johan, you are doing Jane. Jane's number 4 until number 6. Mr. Amin will do Lynn's number 5 until number 8. Then Jing, I'll have you do Jane. Jane number 7 until number 9, while Ian is going to do Lynn's number 9 until 11. Miss Lily is doing John again. Jane number 10 until number 11. I have 2 more spots available, guys. And 2 more spots. Let's see. Meanwhile, let me repeat again, Miss Fanny will do Jane number 1 until number 3. Miss Fu is doing Lynn number 1 until number 4. Johan is taking care of Jane's number 4 until number 6. Mr. Amin doing Lynn's number 5 until number 8. Ching is doing Jane's number 7 until number 8. 7 until number 9, Ching. 1 second. And then, alright, let me repeat. Ching is doing Jane's number 7 until number 9. And then Ian is doing Lynn number 9 until 11. Miss Lily is doing Jane number 10 until 12. Alright. Then I have 2 more spots, guys. Let me see before we go. We just receive this. One thing I gotta do this. All right, after this role play, we'll review some of the phrases, idioms on the dialogue. Okay, which is, hold on, okay. Okay, two more guys. It is due on the 20th. Give me 1 second, okay? Let's do this, put a call in. Accommodate. All this we are going to discuss it. One second. Okay. Hold on, okay. Who else there? Okay. Oh, okay. I see Jane, huh? Jennifer. Let's see, Jennifer. I'll have you do the part of lines number 12 until number 15. Okay, Jennifer. And then I have one more spot, guys. One more. Who's interested? Just raise your hands. Okay. Give me like another. Okay, give me just 1 second. Okay. Quick response. Jump through the. So we can see this how these phrases and the idioms are used in the sentence, like that. Be easier for you to understand. Okay, jump through the hoops. It pays to take right well down. Please everybody. Okay, two more. Everything is set. I missed this one. Everything is set. And then thanks for your help. All right, that's it. All right, so allow me to unmute you. So after that, you guys can start. Okay, so since there isn't anybody, for the last one, I'll have Miss Fanny doing also. Okay, so Miss Fanny is doing J number 1 until number 3 and J number 13 and 14. Okay. Here. Allow me to unmute you guys. The least background sound will be really helpful for
Good
the rest of
evening.
the
Good evening,
class. So
Mrs.
they
Tan.
good
Good
evening, Mr.
evening,
Ami.
Mrs. Chan.
Good evening, Miss Fanny. Haven't seen you for 2 weeks, huh?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
My
there
hand
you
patah.
go. All right.
Good evening, Miss
Morning, Mrs.
Susan.
We
Sun.
see some of the new participant, Ching Ching, Ian. Okay, yo, let's see, check it. There you go. All right, guys, times is yours. You may start with Miss Fanny.
Yes, Miss.
All
Lynn,
right.
please come to my office. I just received a revised purpose order
Are you
from one
ready, Miss
of
Fanny?
our... Yes, Miss. Num J
Miss
number
Fanny,
one,
are you
Miss.
ready?
Yes. Order from one of our customer.
I am here.
Lynn, remember the order we received from Color House 2 weeks ago?
The one for a lot of 500 oak wood window.
Yes, that is the one. Did we start production on it yet?
I do not think so, since we do not have to make delivery until the 20th of this month, another 15 days.
Good. I just received a receipt order from its purchasing department. They want pine wood instead of oak wood. Oak wood.
We have already ordered it. We have already ordered the oak wood from Lumber House. It will cost us more if we put in a change of order now.
guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on here. Oh my God. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me see. Some of them, okay. Let me
Hello,
see. Who's
Miss.
this? Joe. Okay, there you go, Mr. Amin. And then where is Miss Fanny?
Hello, Miss.
Where's Miss Fanny? Okay, there you go. Okay, everybody already unmuted. Let me
Okay,
see.
stop.
Yes.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, perfect. Okay. All right.
I'm finished.
Hopefully it works.
Read.
All right, there you go. Okay, okay, let me see. I haven't shared it yet. Okay, give me one moment. All right, there you go. Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Perfect. Let's do it. Okay, there you go. All right, let's do it.
Fanny, Miss.
Let's start with Miss Fanny, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Lynn,
go ahead.
please come to my office. I just received a revised purchase order from one of our customer.
I am here.
Lynn, remember the order we received from Color House 2 weeks ago?
The one for a lot of 500 oak wood window?
Yes, that is the one. Did we start production on it yet?
I do not think so, since we do not have to make delivery until the 20th of this month, another 15 days.
Okay, who's this? Jane 4. Johan.
Good. I just received a revisit order from its purchasing department. They want pine wood instead of oak wood.
We have already ordered the oak wood from Lumber House. It will cost us more if we put in a change of order now.
Don't worry. Colors House is willing to pay an extra 25% for the change.
In 5. Mr. Amin.
Okay, it's okay then. When do we have to ship the order? The order. It is still due on the 20th.
No, they gave us extra time to fill the new order. Is it not too until the 25th of the month now?
Did they change the shipping terms? Do we still have to deliver the order, or will they come here to pick it up?
Jane 7 is Ching Ching.
Time have to take
Jane 7 until 9 is Ching Ching.
we still have to take care of the shipping process and it is time going to Chicago.
Lin 7. Still Mr. Amina.
I select Olin 7. Then I do not have to make any shipping change order than changing the pickup date.
Jane 8 is still Ching Ching.
You should,
Ching Ching still here.
I think you should put a car in the tracking liners as soon as possible. The 30th of this month is a major holiday, and its shipping schedule is going to be very tight.
True, they might not accommodate our change if they receive or notice too late.
Ching Ching.
Here is the stamp of order from Colors House. You can pick and fax it back to them.
Okay, Lin number 9. Ian.
Yes.
Lin number 9 until 11 is for you.
I better give a copy of this new order to our production department. They need to be aware of the change.
How is our production department doing?
It is running on a very tight schedule. We we
Quite a few
Received.
order received.
a few order lately.
Lately,
I bet all the customer want their orders now or as soon as possible. The production department will have to work a lot of overtime this month.
Overtime already started last week with all the employees in the assembly department working an average of 2 hours overtime per day.
I hope the customers appreciate our quick response. Appreciate our quick response time and the fact that we always jump through hoops to give them whatever they want.
It just pay to keep up with the customer demand. Everybody likes our product and service, even though it is sometimes very difficult to please everybody. It is fine with me because I love this company and I want to see it prosper.
Okay, Jen. Okay. Actually, Lin's number 12 is Jane's turn. Okay, so Jane, go ahead. Jennifer, go ahead.
Okay.
Repeat that.
Yes.
It does pay to keep up with the customers' demand. Everybody likes our products and services. Even though it's sometimes very difficult to please everybody, it's fine with me because I love this company and I want to see it prosper.
We can take pride in a job well done. Besides, it makes our job easier also.
Yes, I would not like to hear people complain. I would hate to deal with unhappy customers.
It is really stressful to deal with unhappy customers. I hope that I will be able to relax even when I get home at the end of the day.
Me neither. Okay, everything is set. I will call Color's house and tell them everything is set to go.
Thanks for your help, Lynn.
You're welcome, Jane.
All right, guys. Let's have a little review, guys. Well, give me one moment. Well, we still okay. I heard Ching Ching and Ian. Okay, let me see. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull it. Check it out. And let's go. All right. Ask quick question to Ching Ching. Okay. Let's see. All right, Ching Ching. Ching Ching.
Yes.
I'm trying to unmute you. Okay. Okay. How old are you, Ching Ching?
I'm 8 years old.
Oh, all right. Ching Ching's 8, huh? Okay, that's why these words some of the words is kind of new to you, right? You're still in elementary, right? Okay, and then let me see, another one was Ian, huh, earlier. Okay, so yes, the past 2 weeks we have all these little kids here. Let me see. So let me see. All right, so are you sibling with Ian?
Yes.
Is Ian your brother?
Yes.
Okay. Well, so we hear all this. They're trying to have trying all the English with us, but some of the words is kind of like harder for a 8-year-old kid because they're just learning all those new words. Okay. Well, anyway. Let's review what's some words that I need you guys to pay extra attention, all right? Let's see, I see here on Jane number 1, guys. Jane's dialect number 1, I need you to guys pay attention to this word, purchased. I just received a revised purchased order, all right? Revised purchased. Oke, saya barusan menerima pesanan pembelian yang divisi. Oke, maksudnya ada perubahan. Saya barusan menerima perubahan terhadap perubahan pesanan pembelian. Bukan, perubahan pesanan penjualan, dari salah satu pelanggan kita, I just received a revised purchase order, alright? So here, a revised purchase order It's one word. Actually, it's a combination of a revised purchase order, alright? So jadi itu adalah satu kata yang saling berkaitan, oke? Saya barusan menerima perubahan pesanan penjualan, alright? So pay attention to the word purchased. And then the opposite of purchase is sales. That's the one we learned from the chapter 15, alright? Sales, S-A-L-E-S, sales and purchased, okay? Sales adalah pembelian dan purchase is penjualan, alright? Next, I have okay, so that's the same for J number 4. J number 4, alright, here, you see guys, revised, alright? Revised order, okay, another here, a revised order from the purchasing, okay, the same, okay, this is purchase and purchasing, okay, remember this is, we pronounce that as department instead of department, okay, remember department, okay, department, okay, with a T, all right. Okay, I just received a revised order from its purchasing department instead of department, all right. So let's see. Next, we have Jane's number 7. Jane number 7. 7 right here. Okay, I believe J number 7 was done by Jing Jing. All right, still. Okay, we still have to take care of the shipping process, and it is still going to Chicago. All right, still instead of style. All right. Then next, see, we have Lee number 9. Lee number 9. This is department. Okay. Lean's number 9. Lean's number 9. All right, production department. All right. Last chapter, we have lots of this word department. Okay, so this word contains 3 syllables. All right, D E as a D P A R T part MENT. Okay, department. Okay, department. Okay. Next, Jane's number 13. Jane's dialect number 13. Pride in a job well done. Kami bangga, oke, dengan pekerjaan yang terselesaikan dengan baik, oke. Kami bisa bangga dengan pekerjaan yang terselesaikan dengan baik. Pride, alright, pride. Okay, next. Pride is the noun of proud, alright. Jadi pride itu adalah kata benda, di mana kata benda dari kata sifat, yang kata sifatnya adalah proud. Saya merasa bangga, oke. Okay? Okay, next we have Jane's number 14, which is doubt. Okay, I doubt. Okay. I doubt that I will be able to relax instead of, okay, what is that? Relax, okay? So we say, I doubt that I will be able to relax even when I get home at the end of the day, alright? Saya pun merasa ragu, entah saya bisa, saya pun merasa ragu kalau saya itu bisa bersantai-santai bahkan saat pulang ke rumah setelah selesai kerja. Oke, maksudnya setelah dia stres mengatasi dengan pelanggan yang yang kurang puas, dia pun terbawa dengan yang stres itu merasa dengan stres yang di kantor itu dibawa pulang, dia tidak bisa bersantai-santai, dia tidak bisa merasa santai di rumah meskipun dia sudah sampai di rumah. Oke, setelah selesai bekerja, itu maksudnya. All right, so those are some words. Okay, I need you guys to pay attention. All right, so you guys can pronounce it better next week. Okay, so anyway, the conversation now. Let's do the check down the expression. All right, expression here. Okay, I'll share a different one. I believe that Macedonia already sent it to you guys this afternoon. All right, 1 second. I'll give a quick translation in Indonesian also, okay? Since you guys already received the translation in English, and there are some examples also, I'm just gonna make it quick in English, all right? So translate it more in Indonesian so you have a better understanding. That way when you pronounce it, you're gonna have a better intonation there, all right? So here we have a lot of 500 windows. Okay, here the a lot of blah blah blah. Okay, that means that that's one batch. Okay, jadi maksudnya satu lot itu maksudnya itu satu bagian. Okay, one batch itu isinya adalah 500 jendela. Okay, nah let's see how the examples in the sentence. Okay, colors house. Okay, remember when you remember, you guys, pronunciation of plurals, always make sure you pronounce the S hard way. All right, colors house ordered last month. Okay, listen to the S. All right, so you understand where is the plural, where is the singular. All right, jadi di sini color house itu memesan dua lot yang isinya masing-masing adalah 500 jendela sebulan lalu. Okay, and then next we have the start production. Okay, maksudnya itu memulai proses produksi untuk suatu produk. Okay, atau jasa. Okay, depends. Okay, on what the product of the company. Okay, example here, Lintel starts production based on the orders received. Okay, jadi perusahaan Lintel ini memulai produksinya tergantung dari order yang diterimanya. Okay, pesanan yang diterima. Okay, next we have make delivery. Make delivery maksudnya adalah take goods to customer, maksudnya itu pengiriman. Okay, melakukan pengiriman. Okay, still example, the supermarket makes deliveries for free within 30 miles of the store. Okay, supermarket melakukan pengantaran pengiriman barang secara gratis untuk jarak kira-kira 30 miles on the 20th of the month. Okay, look, this is 20th here. Okay, it's usually written like this. All right, 20th with a th on the back. Okay, so there. Okay, there you go. Now the 20th with all the ordinal numbers. Okay, now with the th like that, when you pronounce it 20th, your tongue. Okay, your tongue is gonna be in between your teeth. Okay, 20th. So you gotta have the. All right, 4th, 5th. 20th, your tongue is gonna be a beaten between two teeth, the top and bottom teeth. Okay, saat pengucapan TH untuk nomor angka-angka yang berurutan itu ya, seperti 4th, 20th, itu TH-nya itu pasti bawah. Okay, 20th. Saat pengucapan 20th itu seperti ada angin yang keluar. 20th. Okay. 5th. Third, not the H, right? 25th. Okay, 25th. 20th. The electricity bill is due on the 20th of the month. Okay. Next, we have changed the shipping terms. Okay, that's to define whether the sellers or the buyers is responsible for the shipping. Okay, paying all the shipping things or that. Okay, jadi di sini maksudnya itu ada perubahan di dalam pengiriman ya. Itu maksudnya shipping term ini di sini maksudnya itu siapa yang bertanggung jawab atas pengiriman barang tersebut. Apakah pembeli atau yang penjual yang karena di sana ada yang namanya pembeli bisa pick up ke perusahaan dan mengambil barang tersebut, atau penjual yang melakukan pengiriman dengan menggunakan kurir yang telah ditentukan yang disetujui oleh kedua belah pihak ya. Okay, now the example here, Carl's house agrees to keep the same shipping terms. Alright, now next we have put a call into. Okay, now here put a call into itu adalah suatu idiom yang artinya adalah untuk menelpon seseorang. Okay, the prime minister put in a call to accommodate. Okay, meaning to provide with something desired, needed, or suited. Alright, suit. Accommodate itu maksudnya kita tuh menyediakan apa yang dibutuhkan, okay, apa yang diinginkan, apa yang cocok, oke, okay? Seperti ini, oke, okay? Contohnya, she needed money and they accommodated her with a loan. Dia memerlukan uang dan mereka mengakomodasinya dengan cara memberikan pinjaman, alright? I better give a copy to means to provide someone with a duplicate of document of forms. Okay, maksudnya adalah kita memberikan saya sebaiknya itu memberikan salinan entah itu salinan dokumen atau salinan formulir. Okay, I better give a copy of the certificate to them before they ask for it. Okay, next we have run a tight schedule. Maksudnya itu waktunya itu sangat mepet ya. Okay, we run a tight schedule to get this project done. Okay, waktu kita sangat mepet untuk menyelesaikan project ini. Okay, as soon as possible. You guys already know, secepatnya ya dalam bahasa Indonesianya. He'll finish the work as soon as possible. Okay, work overtime. Okay, maksudnya adalah kerja lembur ya dalam bahasa Indonesianya. Andreas has been working overtime since Thanksgiving Day. Okay, Andreas sudah bekerja lembur sejak Thanksgiving ya. Appreciate, meaning to be grateful or thankful for. Okay, appreciate merasa berterima kasih. Okay, they appreciated his thoughtfulness. Mereka sangat menghargai perhatiannya. Quick response maksudnya adalah a fast answer, reaction to something that has been demanded, said or done. Okay, adalah suatu reaksi yang sangat cepat, okay, terhadap suatu dikatakan. Okay, she gave a quick response to the question. Dia memberikan respon yang sangat cepat terhadap pertanyaan tersebut. Jump through hoops ini adalah suatu idiom, okay, yang artinya adalah to do a complicated or annoying series of things in order to achieve something. Okay, maksudnya melakukan sesuatu yang melebihi batas untuk mencapai sesuatu yang diinginkan. Okay, jadi jump through the hoops. Nah, kalau ini hoops ya, ada buah hoops, kita sebenarnya di tengah, tapi kalau dia berusaha untuk memenuhi achieve something, then they jump out of the truth, jump through the hoops. Okay, jump out. Okay, let's say. Okay, jadi dia berusaha keras untuk mencapai sesuatu yang diinginkannya itu. We had to jump through a lot of hoops to get a loan from the bank. Okay, kita melalui banyak hal untuk melakukan mendapatkan pinjaman dari bank. Okay, next we have it Pays to means adalah sebuah idiom juga yang berarti doing something in worth the efforts or expense because result in an advantage of benefits. Okay? Maksudnya itu melakukan sesuatu itu sangat berarti karena hasilnya itu di akhirnya itu hasilnya itu sangat memuaskan atau sangat memberikan hasil yang diinginkan. Okay? It pays to study your notes after every class. Okay? Sangat bermanfaat untuk mengulangi apa yang mempelajari catatanmu setelah selesai pelajaran. Okay? Someone feel happy or satisfied. He did what he could to please her. Okay? So please people. Okay? Berusaha untuk membuat seseorang itu senang atau membuat seseorang itu merasa puas. Okay? Then take pride in a job well done means feeling satisfied with your contribution to your job and the accomplishment you have achieved. Okay? Maksudnya adalah seperti merasa puas, okay, terhadap pekerjaan yang telah diselesaikan dengan baik. Okay? People who take pride in their job well done value their own efforts to help customers. Okay. Next, everything is set, meaning entirely finished, completed or done, not wanting or needing assistance for anything else, anything more. Alright. Jadi everything is set itu ya semuanya udah sudah beres ya kalau bahasa Indonesianya. After a month of preparation, everything is set. Oke, sudah beres ya. Kira-kira, and then thanks for your help. Ya, that's easy one. Oke, adalah is a formal way to express gratitude for someone's assistance. Okay, by acknowledging it, someone's assistance without specifying the nature of the help. Alright. Jadi ini dalam bahasa Indonesianya kira-kira adalah suatu cara untuk mengekspresikan rasa terima kasih untuk bantuan yang diterima dari seseorang tanpa mengucapkan apa sih bantuannya itu secara spesifik. Okay, like specific like this. Thanks for helping me with the homework. That's a specific way. All right. So instead of saying the more specific, just say thanks for your help that you have offered. All right. So that's it. That's the what we call the idioms. Okay, that we learn expression of the chapter 16. Alright guys. Jadi itu adalah beberapa kalimat, frase atau idiom yang kita temukan, yang kita pelajari dalam chapter 16 ini. Okay. So next week we'll continue again with the let me see the grammars. Of course, we're gonna do the exercise guys next week. Okay, okay. Please have your self ready. Any question, just type in the group. Okay, Mr. Tony will send it to me and then we'll discuss next week on the class again. Okay. All right, so the beginning of the chapter 16. Okay, please review again so you remember, guys. Okay, and then we'll see you again next week, guys. Okay. All right, thank you guys for joining the class. Okay, have a good week. Okay, be happy,
Thank
be
you,
healthy
Miss
always.
Susan.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss
Guys.
Susan.
See you next week. Bye.